Number 6. Case size diameter 44.5 millimeters. Case material high intensity titanium. Magnetic resistant equipped. Power reserve display screw case back. Power reserve approximate 72 hours. Number 5. Atom shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Number 4. Case material 18K yellow gold. Glass material box shaped sapphire crystal. Water resistance 10 bar. Band material crucidial leather. Case size diameter 44 millimeters. Number 3. Water resistant 3 bar. Diameter 38.5 millimeters. Thickness 10.8 millimeters. Crucidial leather strap with folding clasp with push button. Magnetic resistance 4800 am. Number 2. Power reserve approximate 72 hours. Water resistant splash resistant. Weight 92 gram. 18K yellow gold class. Excellent timepiece. Number 1. Case material stainless steel. Glass material dual card sapphire crystal. Case size 39 millimeters. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please comment in a comment section. Thanks again for watching.